wanted to do like a vlog of what we do when we just have like no plans and spend a day at home. I was thinking like when the children get older, they will really like well, they do like now looking back on what we've done. So I thought I would do like a day at home where we're just doing family stuff so that they've got that memory. So that's what this vlog is about. So our plans for today, we just have church this morning and that's not until 9, and then just got to do some stuff around the house. We thought we might go on a walk or a swim, play some games and that kind of thing. So that's what our Sunday is. Just a bit of butter. Let me show you. This is the best vegan hot cross bun recipe I've ever come across. Not gluten free, but it's really yummy. And I changed a few things, so I'll put the recipe down below that I did, but it's really good. And I'm gonna have my coffee. Kids have had breakfast already. I had some fruit and some blueberry cake. So here's Lawson watching Paw Patrol, and I think Jack's in his room. I'll have a look. Jack is in bed. He's been up, but now he's reading his calendar. You want to do a wave, buddy? Doing a vlog.
Who are you doing it for?
You.
Oh, okay.
You want to say hi? Good waving, Rafi. Alright, so I'm just going to eat my breakfast and then keep getting ready. Alright, you convinced me. Why should I give you some more chocolate?
Because I want some.
Enjoy the video.
No.
How many chocolates have you had already?
Yeah.
How many chocolates have you had?
Okay, I'll just have
graffiti on the footpath, of all things, is big. Normally they run in the building, but they decided to run on the footpath. And I get all...
Can you say painting? Can you say truck? Can you say grandma? Can you say grandpa? Can you say mama?
no, all these punches
Can you say nana? Use your cloth, Jack. Can you say mummy? Can you say mummy?
money.
Can you say daddy?
Daddy. Send money instead of mommy.
Close enough. Can you say swim?
Film.
Can you say can you say I love you?
Daddy.
Love you. What's the best word you can say, Jack?
Physics.
Physics. That's a pretty good word. So it is now like 4:30 and the kids are still painting. But they also want to go for a swim. We usually try and eat dinner at 5 though, so I am going to make dinner and we'll pack it up and we will go.
And I'm just painting it, and I just made a colour box.
Yeah, we'll show it to you. So I'm just going to make some pesto pasta and we are going to go over for a swim and have dinner. Well, I won't swim, but the kids will. They're crazy, it's cold. We'll have dinner over at the pool.